Hi everyone, Alex from the VIP here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get ChatGPT to create a fully organized monthly payee list in Excel by uploading your bank statements into Chat. So what you're gonna do is, if you already have your bank statements downloaded like I do, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit this plus icon at the bottom right of the chat box where you start chatting with Chat. You're gonna hit the plus, then you're gonna hit add files. Now, if you have all your bank statements into one organized place like I do, what you're gonna do is you're gonna find your bank statements. You're gonna select the first one, then you're gonna hit the shift key, hit the down arrow until you finally have all your bank statements. After that, you're gonna hit open. Now all of my bank statements are here in my chat. Now what I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna type up my prompt that I want Chat to do. So I'll say, hey Chat, I want you to create an Excel spreadsheet organized into ca- in the categories of payee name, description, amount, tax category, and category. Now we'll send that to him, and we'll wait for him to give us our masterpiece. You might. Okay, everyone, we're back. He just finished thinking for the Excel spreadsheet. He gave me some notes about what he did. So to go ahead and tell him to do the full version. But for now, let's go ahead and take a look at the sample. And Chat is a really amazing tool, y'all. If y'all don't have it, I recommend going and get it. It's a very versatile tool. So yeah, this payee name, description, amount, category. Tells us what categories they are. This is really good for a small sample. I do have to get them to put the date because I forgot to tell him to do that earlier. So as I said, you have to be very specific when talking to Chat because he followed every instruction as I gave it to him, but I didn't tell him to do the date as well, so he didn't do the date. So let's come out of this. Great sample. Scroll down. Hit this edit pencil right here. I'll say and add a date section as well. And he'll go back to thinking. Okay, everyone. So chat just finished thinking, and as you can see, I already had the Google Sheet open. So we're gonna go ahead and move over to that. It's gonna take a little while to load. My computer's been moving slow, so let it load up. Okay, as you can see here, I already made some changes to it. If we hit the undo button, this is what it looked like before. I put the amount in the dollar figure so it's easier for me to see it. As you can see, the text right here is nice and big. You don't have to squint your eyes. Let me redo it. So I put it back into the way I had it. I like having the important stuff bolded, like when it happened, what category it goes under, what tax category it goes under. The amount and the other things like payee name and description are also very important. Like everything here is very important, but the stuff that will really help you, like the amount, the make amount bold, because that is definitely vital information. Like this right here, date, amount, categories, very important. That's what you really need. And that's really what I wanted to cover in this video. Let me give you another rundown of the steps. What I first did was I took my bank statements from my bank, downloaded them, then put it in ChatGPT with the prompt saying, "Hey Chat, I want this to be a blank monthly payee list with blank categories, and I want this to be organized so I can put it into blank." So you can now take this prompt, write it down somewhere, and now you can put it into your ChatGPT and let him do the same thing that he did for me for you. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.